to 75.
BMEG forcing a turnover just near the half-court line, leading to a layup.
Twilight zone, mga kaibigan.
Coach Schott asking his players, call a timeout. No.
Pero tuloy pa rin sila sa kanilang atake. 7 to shoot. Canalet has the leather. 5 to shoot. JJ Metangan. Umatake. Nice attack. Doesn't connect. At si James Yapa nakakuha ng rebound.
Oh,
Hindi alam ni PJ na pinasa sa kanya ni James.
It's just so loud in here, Chicky, that players can't actually hear what players are saying, coaches are saying rather. They can't even hear kung nagpa-buzzer na kung para mag-timeout. Here's the play right here. Joshua Bistonte, nakita niya si PJ Simon, libre. But PJ's already looking at the bench.
I stand corrected. The pass didn't come from Josh. A good break here for Barangay Ginebra. Canaleta, minti sa kanyang corner jumper. At tuwang-tuwa si Ping at ang BMEG. Babalik sa kanilang bola.
KG Canaleta actually had a wide open lane. If he actually pump fake and then went to the basket, hard to second guess him right now because of what dun sa ganda ng nilalaro niya. But sometimes you can't fall in love dun sa 3-point shot. Sometimes you have to take it to the lane. Here it is right here. Ito yung play kanina. Tingnan natin kung kanino pa babagsak. Easy call.
Umama kay Jackson Broman. Bola balik dito sa BMEG. 75 seconds to go sa inyong Manila Clasico, game number 2. H-bomb, papalitan dito si Jackson Broman. So Ginebra opting to go all Pinoy.
They're going to offense, defense. Jackson Broman wanting to stay on the court, but Barangay Ginebra wanting to put Rudy Hatfield on Denzel Bowles.
Chance here for BMEG to create more breathing room. King with the screen. 8 to shoot. Na kay PJ pa rin ang bola. PJ dipsy do shot. Hindi pumasok pero nakakuha siya ng foul. Canaleta matatawagan ng foul. Pang-5.
And sometimes, Chicky, you just use your own personal skill to create your shot. This is the case para kay PJ Simon. Using yung kanyang experience. Little up fake. Nakita niya babanggain siya. Goes to the free throw line.
Ang consistent apostoles ni Coach Tim Cone already has 10 points. 3-point lead here for BMEG. 78 to 75. 55.6 seconds to go. Crucial second free throw for Peter June Simon. And calmly he sinks the second one. 79-75.
Gotta go quick if you're Barangay Ginebra. Run your sets quickly.
Roman, binigay kay Canaleta. Susubok muli sa 3. Doesn't connect. Bowles gets the rebound.
Roman had a layup and he actually had a dunk.
Roman still on the floor. Na-atake ng Cramps.
They got a foul. It seems Barangay Ginebra has the foul. There's
5-on-4, Ababu trying to get instructions from the bench.
It's a 5-on-4 situation. They don't have enough people.
6 to shoot. PJ pumakawala. Doesn't connect.
Wow. Bailout by BMEG.
Roman, touch pass to Ababu. Supalpal ni Ping. At PJ Simon deciding to dribble out. Pero hinabol siya ng foul ni Dylan Ababu. Kung kanina, crowd ng Ginebra ang maingay, ngayon po, ang mga kumakampi naman sa BMEG ang nag-iingay.
Right here, you can see Jackson Broman, touch pass para dito kay Dylan Ababu. With that clear defensive play.
Klarong-klarong depensa coming from Mark Pingris on Dylan Ababu.
But so many opportunities, layups already para dito sa Barangay Ginebra that they decided to defer. Could have been a dunk, could have been a layup, but instead of going for it, they went to that extra pass.
Yun
And
yung
that
ano
put
eh.
them in a bind.
Yun yung naging storya eh, no? Yung that extra pass, that extra hustle. We've been mentioning since the start of the ball game kung sino talaga ang unang bumigay sa dulo. In this case,